Guys, it looks like a valve cover. Ooh, I see a bent push rod.
Yeah.
Okay. Did we find out why it's bending push rods?
Not yet. I just put a straight one in it.
Okay, so then it may do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it's got guide issues or...
No, this is a brand new engine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it basically just a stock 140? Has it got a cam in it? Or?
It's got a 280 cam.
280?
It's 60 over. The heads have been cut apart and ported. All new valve seats, all new valve guides.
Oh.
Undercut stainless valves, titanium retainers, new springs, lightened, polished rods with ARP bolts in it. Push rod tube, baffles, horizontal.
Whose car is it?
This guy's.
My car, his engine.
Okay, all right.
I just built the engine for him, but he hasn't got any time to test it. And then on the way up here, it started doing this.
Yeah.
So I'm doing warranty work.
Well, somebody's got to do it. I like the pad. Whose pad is that?
Mine.
You know something? I like that pad.
That is nice.
You know
It
something?
saves my
it's-
shoulders and hips and everything
Damn
else.
right it does. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got a...
Grain paint. That's it. It's grain paint.
Is the car a real Sprint? Is it a
is.
Sprint?
To my knowledge, I've got
Okay,
documentation back
okay.
to 75.
All right. Yep, that is a Fitch Sprint with a Michael Levesque motor in it.
Yeah.
And Michael Levesque is doing warranty work today. Hey, but he's a man of his word,
He is a man
right?
of his word.
That's
For which
right.
I'm grateful.
Yeah, that's good.
A little tidbit about this. I used to date the guy's daughter who owned this car at one time.
Now you're dating yourself. No pun intended. Yep. Well, neat car.
Hey, Michael.
Yeah.